This is Dr. Abdul Wahab of Pakistan.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Satuta.
So thank you for helping me,
Nothing.
seeing my patients. Very grateful.
Show him the picture. You've taken the picture.
Oh yeah, please take
That is
my
the
beard. Allah.
It's not a picture, actually it's video.
Please take the picture.
So try to do any more movement
So that we get-
because you look like
It's a video.
nuts. Yes. Yes. You remind me Fatuta. You know Fatuta, Dr. Abdul Wahab?
Fatuta?
Yes.
I cannot believe that he is more than 50.
No, yes. That is the most beautiful thing in Dr. Abdul Wahab's character.
Alhamdulillah.
Is
Thank
that-
you very much. You said something good.
Alhamdulillah, we
Okay,
we
please
met
don't
him
believe
after 50
all what you hear.
because if we met him when he was 20, maybe we would
Wallah,
conflict. When we brought him, when we hit him.
You would have enjoyed. Oh, shukran. Jazakallah.
And this is Dr. Magid, Syrian,
For you,
and this is Dr. Shahzad, Pakistani again.
you signed on 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
So I would like Dr. Shahzad came on 4 o'clock, but he informed me that.
And for me, I will show this video tomorrow morning to Dr. Sahar.
Confirm you also.
Dr. Hassan,
I was
since you have left smoking,
human resource.
we really appreciate your good willpower.
Thank you so much.
And I appreciate what you have. And I hope Allah help you in continuing your determination as far as leaving smoking is concerned.
Thank you, and I appreciate every word you have said now. Thank you.
Thank you. Please shut off
Show
your
me.
camera before I shut your mouth.
Show me the picture now.